Hey guys, what's up? This is Shiva and welcome to my another training video. In this channel guys, I will share my affiliate marketing journey, how I am making money as an affiliate marketer. And today I will show you how I made $244.24 in just 3 days using free method. So I will show you the same method that I have used to make this kind of money. So if you are new on this channel, I invite you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my new video. And in this channel guys, I share my strategies, my techniques that I am using, and you can also follow these strategies to make a good amount of commission as a affiliate marketer. So let's dive into today's content. So let me show you how much I made in 3 days. So first of all, you can see on August 22, I made $31.42. On August 23rd, I made $44.30. And August 24th, I made $63.55. So I have total made in just 3 days $139.27. So let me refresh the page so that you can know this is legit. This is not any kind of screenshot because in the last video I got a comment that you are showing a screenshot, so you can see this is still loading and you can see this is real, right? And this is guys $139.27. And this is my PayPal account. So you can see I have received $10, $50, and $45. So you can see 22 August and 24th August and 24th. So this all money I made in just 3 days. So I have used Instagram to make this amount of money. So first of all, I have 26.5k followers. So I am using swipe up option in my stories. So all of these sales come from Instagram stories because Instagram stories are more effective than post. So I have used Instagram stories and swipe up option, and I'm promoting right now instant manifestation secret. So this is a brand new product guys. So if you are promoting a new product, so there is a so little competition, so you can promote and you can earn good amount of commission. So you can see this is instant manifestation secret. This is a brand new product, so you can also promote and make good amount of commission. And so all this ClickBank sales came from instant manifestation. And in my PayPal account, I have earned $25 and $50 and $10. I have charged this amount of money for promoting other people's post. So you can see this post, right? And this post and this post and this post. So I have charged money for posting other people's post on my Instagram page. So right now I am charging $10 to $50 for promoting other people's post, other people's services on my Instagram page. So you can also use this kind of offer. If you have enough followers, you can contact to the same niche related to Instagram page they have little small followers. You can contact them and you can ask them to promote their services on your page if you have good amount of followers. So you can charge good amount of commission, good amount of money, and in this way you can earn a good amount of money as a affiliate marketer, as a online marketer. So that's it guys, I have used this simple technique. First of all, I am posting every 3 hours new story, and you cannot directly put every story to promote any kind of offer. First of all, one or two story you post, any kind of provide any kind of news, good news, any kind of value, then you can promote your offer in your next story. And in this way guys, you first of all you build trust, and then you will promote your offer, so people easily trust you and they can buy your offer that you are promoting. So this is guys simple technique. You can also use this technique to make good amount of commission as affiliate marketer. So I have used this simple technique to make $244 and 24 cents in just 3 days. So that's it guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel so that you can get notified when I upload my new video. And one more thing guys, I am coming with new strategies and new technique on every week, so that you can benefit from new technique and you can make good amount of commission. So I hope you like the video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.